Hello everyone, this is Mina Mikhail, and my analysis will be exploring various factors that influence student performances, including funding, policy, and the level of education of parents. My goal was to pinpoint significant factors affecting student performance. I merged two data sets, student test scores with state-level funding data, resulting in a comprehensive data set of 940 observations across approximately 20 variables. To prepare the data, I simulated a state name column for students to facilitate merging with the state funding data. I computed an average score for each student and removed rows with missing critical values using the IQR method. I identified and removed outliers in both student scores and predicted federal revenue, refining my dataset to 880 observations. After cleaning, the average student score was approximately 66, with federal revenue per student averaging around $12,000. Policies like effort and fairness were scaled between 0 and 1. The level of education of parents was categorized into 6 distinct groups. Correlation analysis revealed positive relationships between average student scores and variables such as predicted federal revenue, effort fairness, and current expenditure, suggesting these factors may influence academic performance. My linear regression model identified predicted federal revenue, effort, and fairness as significant predictors of student performance, each contributing meaningfully to the model's explanatory power. Using a random forest model, I assessed feature importance, finding that effort, fairness, and predicted federal revenue were the top predictors of student performance, with the model demonstrating high accuracy on test data. Analyzing funding revealed a clear trend. Students in higher funding tend to achieve higher average scores, underscoring the impact of financial resources on academic outcomes. Examining the level of education of parents showed that students whose parents attained higher education levels generally performed better academically, highlighting the influence of the background. In summary, my analysis indicates that student performance is influenced by a combination of funding, policy-related factors, and the level of education of parents. Addressing these areas collectively is crucial for improving educational outcomes. Thank you all for watching.